Whenever we are making any document, one important thing is to make certain points or present certain things in points, that is we call as a list. So we have two type of list, ordered list and unordered list. This two list, ordered list and unordered list, this is the unordered list, that means you will have bullet here. In ordered list you will have proper numbers 1 2 3 ABC like this. In bulleted you can just select the text, press the home tab, display the bullet drop down menu that I'm going to show you, and you can select this type. For the ordered you have to do the same step, take the same step and display here. You will not see the bullet drop down menu, but you will see numbered bullet drop down menu. Then you can select the style. So this is the first one, that is this one is the unordered list. You can select any of this symbol, you can add the symbol also, you can define new bullets. Here you can go to the numbers, so now you can give the numbers. So these are various options which are available. You can define new numbers as well, you can define your own format. So this is the way you can define your own format. We are going to do that. And as you see that in the same content you have unordered list, also ordered list. You can change the levels also, different levels can be given. So multi-level list, they have sub bullets, and the sub bullets are specified by tabbing, using tabs. So in order to define the format of the list, first we have to select the text, home tab, go to the home tab, then display the multi-level drop down menu, and you can just select a style, or you can always define your new multi-level list. So this is how it is going to be. This is a multi-level list. Now here you can go to define new multi-level list, and then you can specify on first level what will be there, what you want to have, on the second level what you want to have. So in this case the second level will have 1, so 1 2 3 like this will be there, with star, prefix as a star and suffix as a star. And in the third level you want some arrow to come with some mark. So this, you see, this is the first level, this is the second level, third level is this one. This is how you can make multi-level list. So Word gives you an opportunity to edit, save, retrieve, print, delete documents. You can change the appearance, change the content, and this is very easy with respect to Word. So let us go to the actual Word. This is Microsoft Word. Now we have two content here, you can say. This is the first one and the second one is this one. So what we will be doing with the first one, we'll be trying to make them as a list. So just select these, okay, and go to this one. See, this is bullets, so it create a bulleted list. So you just have to click the arrow to change the look of the bullet. How? This is the arrow. Now you can go to any of these, say I choose this one, right? I'm not interested in either of these are already there. So I can go to define new bullet, I can take a symbol, I can take a picture, you can go to a specific picture. This is the picture which is being loaded. You can go to any one of these, and you can have a font as well. You can give the font of that particular size. So I'm going to take a symbol, say I want yen, okay. Now this is okay. So all these bullet, the symbols have changed to yen. Now I am not interested in showing like this, but I just want to change the or I can remove also, and I can just change the, say, size, formatting. So what I need to do, I can go there and I can define a new bullet, say this one, and then I can just change the font. So say the font is this one, I want to increase the font, so size will be increased. I want it to be bold, I want it to be italic, I want to get it strike through, I want to get it as a superscript. So let us take it, okay. So now this is the content, but this is acting as a superscript. Apart from that, the changes we have done, the modification we have done is also being implicated, or also been employed. So this is about your unordered list. Now let us come to the ordered list. Let us apply it here. I'm selecting it, going to this one, 1 2 3. This is the basic one. Now I don't want to choose that, I'm interested in this one, okay. Either I can choose 1, 2, 3 ABC. I can have Roman also. So all these possibilities are there. Now I can change the list level. I want the first one to be shown like this, second one to be shown like this. So this first one is this one, second this ABC is of the second level. So let me change it. I want to show the second one in this form. So it goes inside. Now the third one, I want to go and take it to the third level, but it will come in Roman. So it will come in Roman. So this is how you can define also, right? And you can always create your new number format, right? Let me Control Z. I want to create a new number format. So I'll go here. I'll create a new number format. Say it's CO format, okay? I'm typing my format, right? This is my format, and I want the alignment to be, say, centered. I can always change the font as I just showed you. I want it to be some, different font. I can change any font like this, and you see this will not work. So I can give anyone which is more comprehensible. So I can give any one of these. I can bold it. I can change the size, right? Now, okay. So see, the changes I made. This is my own format, and this will be very useful while working with document which is your document, your copyright. And after that, this format has come already here. So at any point you can apply it. So this will come in this listing. So this is the second one. Now we have multi-level list also. That means you want first one as, let us take it as heading 1, second one as heading 2, and third one as heading 3, right? So I took the style. Now I want a multi-level, and I want to change like this. The heading 1 will come as 1, heading 2 will come as 1.1, and third will come as 1.1.1. Let us see what happens. See, the first one has come as 1, second 1.1, third 1.1.1. So these are all the possibilities that you can give, and you can always define your own multi-level list, right? That I want the first one has to come here. Let me write it here. Okay, this is my one. So first, it will come as first. The second one, let us see what I want to give. Okay, I'm just typing anything. And the third one, list, anything I'm typing. I can change the font at any time, you know about that. I just want to change the font, so let it be quite high. Another, okay. See, the first has come as first, this I wrote. Second has okay, third one has list, and I have defined it as a multi-level. So this has come. See, this list has come. So in any part of the document, you can directly apply it. This is how you deal with the list, and this list is nothing but the ordering or showing the content in a way people can easily comprehend, they can understand. And mostly these are used in PowerPoints, but in Word also there are various scenarios where you're going to use this. So this is all about the list, ordered list, unordered list, multi-level list. So thank you so much, and just take care of yourself.